Dear students, good morning. How are you? I feel that all are well. Dear students, in previous classes I have described in about that British regime, Muslim invader, Portuguese, Dutch, Spain, who are living in Spain, that they are known as Dutch. Understand? So now I am coming. These are the sources of. Yes, in previous classes that history is divided into ancient, medieval and modern periods. The modern history of India begins from the 18th century. Yes, these are the sources. First sources is art and artifacts. 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 Yes, dear students, sources का मतलब होता है स्रोत. Like this you can say that what are the resources of modern history. How can you say that modern history is the most important part of history? Because there are many sources to proves that modern history is greater than ancient and medieval history. So dear students, historians wants to reconstruct the past. He has to face many challenges. He has to study about the ancient or medieval history. Dear students, art and artifacts. First it is. So that artists at the beginning of the modern periods, paintings, pictures depicting the social scenario and leaders engage in some works. Arts and artifacts. Yes, this is the main role of arts and artifacts. Who paints the picture is known as artist, and some leaders are involving in social work, so that it denotes the artifacts. Like this you can say that arts and artifacts are very important for us, and these are the main sources of modern history. Second, historical monuments. Now, historical monuments. Historical monuments. Historical monuments, we see many historical monuments in all over India. We see many important buildings which were constructed many years ago, commemorating various events. These are known as historical monuments. They denote many years ago they were constructed. Like this you can say historical monuments were being constructed by the emperor who ruled over that time. So historical monuments are very important. Like this you can say that Ashoka's pillar, you can say Qutub Minar, you can say many types of fort. Now third, document of mass awareness. People all over India had to be united as one power to fight the operation of the British. Like this, mass awareness की बहुत बड़ी भूमिका थी, because when our devotee, you can say patriot patriots give lectures. So by the document of mass awareness, it was published in all over India, and people read this and they collect and they oppress to the British regime. Understand? So mass awareness campaigns were carried out by printing pamphlets, magazines and newspaper. These are the very, very important role to oppress the British regime. So dear students, I humble request you have to gain the knowledge in about this. So these are the examples of documents of mass awareness. Now 4 I am coming. 4 is this: printed books. Printed books are very, very important. A number of books were printed during the periods when the printing age began in India. Printing press was discovered by Gutenberg community. Understand? गुटेन वर्गों ने प्रिंटिंग प्रेस का खोज किया था. ओके, यस, इट वॉज प्रिंटेड इन इंग्लिश, रीजनल एंड अदर फॉरेन लैंग्वेजेस. यानी प्रिंटिंग बुक्स आर वेरी, वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द sources of modern history. Yani you can say that printed books are available in British language, local language and general language. That languages are going in all over India. Understand? Now 5th, other sources. Dear students, these are the very, very important role of other sources. An important and popular source of information is films, dramas and documentaries films. Like this, films makes use different sources to find out about historical events and leaders they depict in their works. So dear students, other sources are very important according to drama, according to theatric work, that's according to films. Makers use different sources to find out about historical events and leaders they depict in their works. So you can say that sources of modern history are more in numbers than those of ancient and medieval history. So dear students, these are the more and more point in this lesson: where, when and how. Now any question is asking by someone, so where? Suppose that if you are doing any work, so that someone is asking to you that where you have to do work, when did you do work, and how is your work going on. So that's where, when and how. These are the important words. They begins or make a questions. So you have to read this chapter carefully. Write word meaning, write important PDF file, and then sources of this you have to learn and mention in your history notebook. Understand? Thank you so much. This lesson has finished. So please behave yourself, be safe and stay at home. Thank you so much.